Value of sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. Trigonometry. Trigonometry comes from a Greek word tri, gno and metron. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles, and one angle should always be 90 degrees. Now let's look at this lab equipment here. We have a triangle here. This is a right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degrees. Now I'm going to take this angle here, angle B, as 45 degrees. Now we have a side opposite to this angle. This is the perpendicular. Let's consider the hypotenuse to be 1 unit. Any number divided by 1 will give you the number itself, right? So the perpendicular divided by 1 will also give you the perpendicular itself. And this side, the opposite side of this angle, the perpendicular, is sine. Now, sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 can be written as root 2 by 2. Now, root 2 is equal to 1.41 approximately, and that divided by 2 is going to give us the value 0.75. Now, when the hypotenuse, like for example, any value of the hypotenuse is multiplied by 0.75, you will get the value of sine. This is the wonderful relationship between the hypotenuse and sine. In this triangle, you can see the base here, BE. This is cos. Cos is also equal to 1 by root 2. So, whatever relation which we applied for hypotenuse and sine, all those same relations will apply for cos also. Now, let us consider this triangle again. We have this hypotenuse here. Let's consider the length of this hypotenuse to be the radius. Before that, we have this point B here, the angle 45. Now from that point, we are extending the line to form an x-axis, and we are extending the line upwards to form the y-axis. Now with the radius as the length of the hypotenuse, let's draw a circle. Now we see that DE and DB, they meet at this point D, right? Now let's draw a tangent at that point touching the x-axis and the y-axis. Now you can see that this point D, and which is touching the x-axis, say C, DC, that will be our tan. And from the point D to the point A, which is touching the y-axis, this becomes the cot or the cotangent. Then from this point A to this origin B, this is our cosecant. From the origin B to this point C, which touching the x-axis, this is the secant. This is how you understand and find out the values of these.